So, wanted to give a kind of like a midday. I guess I'm just gonna add it or edit it to the final video. But it's 2:30. Just had my second shake of the day, and I think it's catching up to me. Today is day 8, and I feel tired. I'm exhausted. I didn't get good sleep last night, and my body just feels tired. My mind feels tired. Just want to go to sleep. I just want to go to bed. Again, I'm not hungry, but it's like, man, I know that if I go get this, that's gonna taste good and it's gonna feel good and it's gonna, you know what I mean? It's like such a mental battle, like, and then you have thoughts like, okay, well, one cheat meal, it's not gonna do this or do that, but just like, I can't think that way, man. I have to push through. But today's been a struggle. And so I guess we'll check back. I guess the next cut would be kind of nighttime, probably very late, because on Wednesdays after church, and we don't have church today, but we have practice, I like to go to a jazz bar, a jazz club, and it's free, and it's just a good time. But I usually get home pretty late on Wednesday nights, and so I guess we're gonna see what the rest of the day had for me. But yeah, man. First day that I can officially say is a struggle came at day 8. So I don't know if that's a good or bad sign that it took 7 days for my body, my system to kind of react. But pushing through and trying to take it one day at a time and not get into my head so much about the fact that, I literally have I have 19 more weeks of this. So 19 more weeks. And then even after that, I'm still not going to be on modified. I mean, it's phase 2 is literally just having the shakes, but then adding 300 calorie worth of, I think, fruit and vegetables. You know what I mean? So even then, it's going to be a while. But I believe I can make it. I believe I can do it. And so we'll see.